Welcome to Meeting Focus. My name is Muhammad Fakir, and on this episode we'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones. And on this channel we'll be talking about people around tech and mobile technology in South Africa. It's cool. So today what we'll be unboxing is the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones. It's selling for around just over 1,000 rand, depending on where you got it. I got this one for 1,100 rand on a daily deal at Takealot. It's also selling on the Xiaomi Mi Africa.co.za. I will put the link in the description below, and then that's selling for about 1,399 rand. And why I'm doing this unboxing and review, just initial first impressions, because the Apple AirPods sells for 3,500 rand. So 1,000, just paying about 1,000 rand for wireless earphones from a good brand as Xiaomi could really be good. So I'm gonna open the box. Before I do that, I will also just say that it's what's advertised. It says Mi True Wireless Earphones, no wires, no limits, true wire free design, high quality audio, the freedom of True Wireless. And yes, many people will say it's like a copy of the Apple product, but I mean, it's just a design, and who invented earphones? Everybody invented earphones. Why I also probably bought this is because I have quite a few I've had quite a few wired Bluetooth earphones, so I thought I'll buy this one. You can, if you remove it, it will pause because it has infrared sensors inside. Yeah, cool. So let's open this thing. Oh, and it also has touch control like Apple's. So there's the box. Plain simple, just like a matte finish. I'll leave
it there inside. So it's just this. This is the case. I don't think it has wireless charging.
And it's nice, it has a USB Type-C connector, which is cool. It's not a micro USB. Yeah, so this is not the wireless charging case. It's just an ordinary case. Yeah, lightweight, portable, touch control. And then they've got the two, I'm so tempted to call it AirPods, but it's the earphones. Really nice casing actually inside. Not such a fan of this box. It's like really bright and makes it look like cartoony. Cool. I'm just gonna leave it over there. And then we've got case. Inside the case, okay, not bad. Inside the case I have a USB Type-C connector, and
how are we supposed to get these papers out? Oh, I've got, there you go, manuals. Okay, I'll keep that over here.
For 80% of volume, and you can charge the charging case, and you can charge the earphones. Okay, cool. I said that twice. I know, for all you critics, welcome. This is my first YouTube video, so I hope to just get better from here, right? So I'm gonna open it up. Comes in a nice, like a matte finish kind of paper, which I don't care about. And then I've got this, which looks very much like my wife's AirPods, but it's a bit flimsy. Cool. And there's a button over here. Not too sure what the button's for, but it's probably to connect it up. There is no light in here like the copy of Apple's, but there is a light over here. I see a small one. Cool. And so it's just some Xiaomi branding over here. Cool. So let's get into it. These look really good quality. There's an infrared sensor, the black dot over there, and it's like a simple design. It's very similar to Apple's the latest AirPod 3s, but because it has this, but I guess what makes it different is that you get these actual in-ear fittings, and it comes with different plugs that you can't actually switch. Okay, not going to fight on the video. Cool, so I've got different sizes, 2 small ones. How many are you? Whoa, so you've got 6 of these, which is quite impressive. I mean, for everybody's ears, because earpods can fall out, right? I will have a detailed review on my website, and then we can check that. This is the USB Type-C cable. So I'll be using this like once you watch this video, that means I've already started using it and I am busy with the review. So I'm not sure if there is some battery life in here. I'm gonna put it in here. This is what it looks like in the case. It is really quite cool for 1,000 Rand. I mean, no wires, integrated light, touch controls. It can charge, the charging case can charge. And if I'm incorrect about that, I will put it in my review. So I'm just gonna put it in the casing. That's what it looks like. Nah, doesn't work. Nope, not working. Okay, there you go. Cool. So I presume I have to put this thing in charge before we start using it. Just plug the USB Type-C in here. Put this into my laptop. Cool guys, so I am back and I gave it about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to charge. So I'm gonna turn it back on now. It's blinking. So this is actually the advice you to use to charge it up before you use it. So it says at the moment now I'm connected to Mi True Wireless on my phone. It's connected. Cool. Let's check this out. Damn guys, YouTube is hard work. This is my first video, so any positive critique you can, or tips, you can let me know. Okay, it says I'm connected. This is the case. Guys, I really feel like this matte finish is so cool. It's a little bit bigger than the Apple AirPods. It says connected. It's in. I think I have quite medium ears. It's playing, it just started playing all of a sudden. Okay. It's not at full volume yet. I'm playing Aligati, how things used to be. Okay, it's on medium volume. So what I like about this is compared to the Apple AirPods is that, because I'm using Apple AirPods too, it still has that kind of, it's not completely, there's no noise cancellation. And why is the noise cancellation on Apple AirPods 3, which is like super expensive? Yeah. So I've only used Apple AirPods 2 and that seemed like I'm probably speaking a bit louder now, so I'm gonna boost the volume up. You can see here, the volume is on medium. Alright, shout out to Aligati. Cool. I'm gonna go all the way up. And already I can't hear anything in the background. I'm going up. Sound is so good. And the bass, it's on the loudest now, and I can hear nothing at all. And I'm probably speaking really loudly. And I've got this microphone here, but it's a really good sound. So I'm gonna test that sensor, right? I'm just gonna turn it down a bit, but the sound is really good. Cool, so I'm gonna take out one and all the music stopped. Cool, so there's no music playing at all. Just tested that now. I'm gonna put the earphones back in. Okay, nothing happened so far, so it didn't sense that this earphones back in, so it didn't start playing, but I'm gonna see if this whole touch thing works. Nope, nothing. Okay. I had like a bell. No, that's not correct. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's the left one. Double tap. I'm used to the airpods and double tap, so it doesn't actually give you an instruction of how to tap it. Gently tap either one of the earphones over here on these things. Okay, that worked. I just tapped it now. It's playing. Cool, I guess that's this tap functionality. I think they should start making this a volume rocker. That's just my suggestion. But okay, so that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi AirDots. The AirDots is the other product, the earphones, Mi True Wireless earphones. I really think that I'm probably going to use this all the time. I will write up a full review on my experience with like actually exercising, see if it falls out. Yeah, cool. Thank you for joining me. If you thought this was interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for future product reviews or interviews that I have with anybody. Cool. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Peace.